What's up guys, Shufe here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a global leaderboard and also to have the top 3 people on the leaderboard be displayed with their character. So first things first, you're going to want to get the model in the description. It's probably going to be at the top, I'll link it. This has been requested by my friend called Value King. It'll be on your screen somewhere now. But first things first, you need to create 3 NPCs and just call them like whatever, 1, 2 and 3, right? You can add more NPCs if you want to, but obviously I'm not going to be doing that, but you can do it if you want, based on this tutorial. Okay, so the first things then, the next thing is you need to create a script for the leaderboard. So we'll just call this player handler, right? So then we define players, so local players is equal to game get service players, and then we do players.player added connect function player. And then we do local stats is equal to instance.new folder, stats.name is equal to leader stats, stats.parent is equal to player, local. We're just going to do like money as our stat, but obviously you could do it differently based on what you need it for. .name is equal to money, money.parent is equal to stats. Okay, I'm just gonna set up saving, like basic saving and stuff on this, and then I'll be back once I have done that. Okay guys, I'm back. I have got the saving working. If you guys just want to copy the script, you can pause it. I'll show you the 3 portions of the script right now. So you've got the player added function, you have the player removing function with the saving, and then you have the bind to close. If you want to pause the video and just copy and rewrite these. It's just I already have a tutorial on how to save things, so I'm just gonna, that's why I got ahead. So now that we have the saving, we want to create a leaderboard script. So I don't know, global leaderboard. And now what we need to do is local data store service is equal to game get service data store service, local players is equal to game get service players. And then we need to do local global data store to the data store service get order data stores or order data store. You have to remember that. We'll do money global 1. You can do whatever you want. But yeah, then we have a local function update. Okay, and then what we need to do is while true do, and we'll do a wait, I don't know, math.random 120 to 180. That means that it'll do it every 1 to 2 minutes, something like that. And what we want to do then is just run update, and then what we want to do is after the wait, what we should do is spawn function, so that in case it errors it won't break the loop, because you don't want that. For underscore player in pairs game to players get players do, and then we do global data store set async. I spelled player wrong. Player user ID. Then we do player.leaderstats.money.value. Okay, and then we will do a wait math.random 4, just in case, just to make sure that they don't all save at once. Actually, just for the testing purposes, I'll change the weights, but do not change them or else you will breach the limits of data stores, which will mean that the data won't save and stuff like that. So I'm just going to make it so it updates every 2 to 5 seconds, and that this happens instantaneously between the players. Okay, and now what you want to do is create a board. Then you need to put a surface GI. Where is surface? Surface, there we go. And make sure it's on the front. Okay, awesome. And now we need to create a scrolling frame. Okay, and then we make this, whatever, you can customize this whatever you want. I'm just doing what I want to do right now. And yeah. And now let's just make the canvas size something like on the lines of say 4 on the y-axis. Just so you have plenty of room. And then we have a UI grid layout, and then we have a text label, and then make the cell size 10 on the X property, and then in the Y we'll do 0.50. Okay, and then let's scale the text and make it a nice sort of sans semi-bold, and get rid of the borders pixel. And then for the cell padding, we'll just keep it as it is, because that's kind of nice. If you look there, and if you scroll up and down on the board, you'll see that you have all of these things. So now we name this template, and then, okay wait, we'll make it a frame, sorry. And we will name it template. Obviously just do this however you want, but I'm just doing what I want to do at the moment. So we have then a text label, and we'll name this player name, and then player amount. Okay, so for the player name, I'm just going to make this blue-ish. Make the Z index 2, so that it goes over the top of that, and make it say 80% of the screen size, of the size of the board, and then 100% of the actual thing. And then what we want to do is position this at 0.80, sorry, and then do this 0.20, so this gives 20% of it. And we'll make this text scaled, we'll make this semi-bold, then we'll make this one bold. Bold. There we go, that looks nice. And we'll make this, I don't know, yellow, I mean, that color, yeah, that looks great. Okay, I'll make their text color white, so it's easier to read maybe. Oops. Just make this a bit of a darker color. There you go. So now that we've got this, you want to name it so that this is the leaderboard. Obviously you can name it whatever you want, but just for my convenience, I'm just going to call it stuff like this, and I'll just keep that surface GUI. Then I'll keep this as global board. Okay, so now that we've got that set up, what you want to do is you want to go back into your global leaderboard script, and you want to define the board. So local board is equal to workspace.global board, and then what you want to do now is local success is equal to pcall function local data is equal to global data store get sorted async false, and we will get 40 results. And then we will do local page is equal to data get current page, and now we'll do is for, let's see, rank, so that's their position on the board, and then their data, player data in I pairs page do local name is equal to data player data dot key, and then local money is equal to player data dot value. And now what we'll just do is print name and the money, just for now, just to test this. So I have 155 money right now, because it's saved, and it prints my user ID and the amount of money. Yep, as you see here, it's already added to the queue, because you know the data store limits aren't that great, so you have to be quite careful on how many requests and stuff that you use. Okay, so now what you want to do is you want to do local template is equal to board.surfaceGui.template scrolling frames dot leaderboard dot template clone, and then what we need to do is board.surfaceGui.leaderboard.template destroy. Okay, so then what we want to do is local new is equal to template clone, and then we do new dot player name dot text is equal to name new dot player amount text is equal to money. But firstly I forgot this is actually user ID rather than their name. So we do players get username, get username from get name from user ID async user ID, and then what we do is new.parent is equal to board.surfacegui.leaderboard, and then we shall do new.layout order. Wait, what's it called? Yeah, layout order. New.layout order is equal to rank, and in the UI grid layout, make the sort order layout order. Okay, So now we go and test it. It should display, yep, Shufi123, 155. Okay. So next we will want to have, we want it to, like, whenever it updates, you want to destroy the old ones. So we do for_child in pairs board dot leader surface GUI dot leaderboard get children. Do if child is a frame, then child destroy. So that destroys the old ones. So as you see, every time it updates, it will destroy the old ones, then put the new ones in, if you see here. Hey guys, I'm back. I just got two of my friends, Egg Yolked and Value King, to test this with me. You see the way that Egg Yolked is number 2 because he's got 5 money. Value King is 0. But then the thing is, if I change Value King's stats, he'll be above Egg Yolked. So if I give him like 100 money, he'll be above whenever it refreshes in a few seconds. Yep, there we go. Okay, so guys, let me get back to the NPC stuff where it'll display the top 3 on their NPC. What we want to do is, after the variables are defined, if rank is less than 3, then local NPCs with the workspace find first child rank. This will only work if you don't have anything called 1, 2, and 3 directly in workspace. If NPC, then NPC.userID.value is equal to user ID, and then this should work. But just for the purposes of this tutorial, you go into loader and you change the auto refresh duration variable to 5, and it will update this one every 5 seconds. So it will update to Shufi my character. See there, it's my character. These ones will update eventually every minute by default, but that one updates every 5 seconds. And you can also, if you don't want it to be animated and if you don't want it to be moved, all you have to do is you anchor it and you disable the animate script. You anchor it, then disable the animate script. I'll just change these to 5 seconds as well to show you that they do work as well. So you see here, these two are animated, this one isn't, and it's anchored. You can't move it like by walking on it. But then yeah, oh wait, you can't anchor it because then it will do that. So don't anchor it, but just delete the animate script. Okay. And you see the way it updates every 5 seconds. I don't recommend updating it every 5 seconds though. If rank is less than or equal to 3, then local NPC is equal to workspace find first child rank. If NPC, then NPC.userID.value is equal to user ID. And just for the purpose of this tutorial, I've changed the loader script to update every 5 seconds. I don't recommend doing that, but that's what I've done. Make sure that the model isn't anchored. If you don't want the animations to play, you can either just disable the animate script or you can delete it. And then if I run this, every 5 seconds it will update to the top 3 players. As you see here, that's Egg Yolk, so that's Value King, and then that's me. See the way these two are animated? This my one isn't because I've deleted the animate script. So yeah, thank you guys for watching this tutorial. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to leave a comment if you have any ideas for the next tutorial.